Today we're looking at 10 new woodworking tools on Amazon. Each one brings something clever, practical, or powerful to your workshop. Let's dive in.
Number 1. The Evolution 110-inch circular saw guide rail is built for accuracy. At over 9 feet long, it gives you continuous guidance for cutting full sheets of plywood, MDF, OSB, or solid wood. It works with most major brands: Makita, Bosch, Festool, Triton, Metabo, and of course Evolution's own X series saws. That means one rail, many saws. The design uses self-aligning connector bars, just a quarter-turn cam, and the sections lock together. No gaps, no wobble. Perfect alignment every time. For stability, you've got high-grip rubber traction strips, a sacrificial edge strip for clean cuts, and a glide strip that keeps the saw moving smoothly with less friction. The kit includes quick-release clamps, connector bars, a carry bag, and even a hex key. Portable, practical, and ready for woodworking, cabinet making, or precision panel cutting. Straight cuts with CNC-like accuracy without the CNC machine. Number 2. The Makita XRJ08Z Compact Recipro Saw is built for speed and control. Inside, you've got a Makita-built brushless motor. It delivers up to 3,100 strokes per minute with a 7/8-inch stroke length. That means faster, more efficient cutting across wood, metal, or plastic. Compared to older models, it cuts up to 55% faster, and thanks to its low vibration design, you'll feel up to 40% less vibration in your hand. The one-handed grip is positioned to transmit force directly into the workpiece. That makes it easier to control, even when you're working with just one hand. There's also a loop-shaped handle guard. It adds rigidity and improves cutting efficiency. Compact, cordless, powerful. This saw is designed for quick cuts without the fatigue. Number 3. The Craftsman 20-gallon wet dry vac is built for heavy-duty cleanup. With 6.5 peak horsepower, it delivers maximum suction power, perfect for tackling sawdust, debris, or even water spills in the shop, garage, or job site. The 20-gallon drum gives you large capacity. That means fewer trips to empty, even when you're dealing with big messes. There's a rear blower port built in. Use it to clear leaves, grass clippings, or dust from outdoor spaces. And when it's time to empty liquids, the oversized drain makes the job quick and convenient. Accessories are included too: a 7-foot dual flex hose, extension wands, utility nozzle, car nozzle, crevice tool, wet nozzle, muffler, filter, and dust bag. Powerful, versatile, and ready for any cleanup challenge. Number 4. The durable woodworking marking gauge is all about precision and versatility. It features dual scales, metric and imperial. Switching between them is simple. Just disassemble, flip the ruler body, and you're ready for whichever measurement system your project demands. This gauge works with different marking tools too: pencils, ballpoint pens, even fountain pens up to 11 millimeters in diameter. That gives you options depending on the task. For accuracy, it includes a concealed back hanging stand. That helps position the gauge exactly where you need it, making layout lines clean and reliable. Adjustments are quick. An intuitive knob design lets you set the marking position in seconds. No fuss, no wasted time. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's sturdy enough to handle daily carpentry work. Durable, reliable, and built to last. A simple tool made smarter for accurate measurements in woodworking and DIY projects. Number 5. The mini flat table vise is compact, portable, and built for light-duty work. Clamp it onto your bench, and you've got a secure hold for smaller projects. Perfect for woodworking, plastic, light metalworking, or even jewelry making. Hobbyists love it for crafts, model building, and electronics. It's small enough to carry anywhere, but strong enough to keep your materials steady while you work. The body is cast aluminum. The screws and handle are steel. That combination gives you durability without adding too much weight. Its jaws are designed for tabletop use, high rigidity, but lightweight enough to move around easily. For jewelry makers, hobbyists, or anyone working on delicate parts, this vise is a practical little helper. Simple, portable, and reliable for all those smaller projects where precision matters. Number 6. The aluminum alloy rotating bench vise clamp is a small but versatile work-holding device. It's designed for efficiency, ideal for drilling holes in collectible models, art projects, or other delicate tasks. Clamp it to your table, and you've got a stable platform for precision work. The standout feature is the versatile bracket. It allows effortless angle adjustments. That means you can position your workpiece exactly how you need it, without struggling. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's strong enough to handle repeated use while staying lightweight and practical. The swivel design makes it flexible. Whether you're drilling, grinding, or shaping, you can adjust angles quickly to suit different needs. Compact, adjustable, and built for precision. This vice clamp is a handy tool for hobbyists, model makers, and anyone who needs reliable work holding on a small scale. Number 7. The 9-inch A-shaped spring clamp is simple, but incredibly practical. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry with you. Perfect for on-site repairs, crafts, or quick woodworking setups. Despite its simplicity, this clamp is heavy-duty. The wide mouth and long throat design give it a strong grip, ideal for gluing, clamping, or holding materials in place during carpentry and DIY projects. The ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to use. Even during extended tasks, it reduces hand fatigue, so you can keep working without strain. Made from durable materials, it's built to last. Strong enough for woodworking, yet versatile enough for model building, crafts, or electronics. Portable, reliable, and tough enough to handle everyday clamping jobs. A must-have tool for anyone who needs quick, secure holding power in the workshop or on the go. Number 8. The stainless steel 90-degree corner clamp is built for precision and durability. It's designed to handle different material thicknesses. That makes it flexible enough for picture frames, aquariums, carpentry, or furniture assembly. The clamp delivers a secure grip. Once locked in place, it keeps your workpiece steady, so you can make precise adjustments during assembly or repair. The firm clamping force ensures stability. Whether you're fixing trim, building drawers, or framing, it holds everything at a perfect right angle. Made from stainless steel, it resists wear and deformation. Strong enough for daily use and built to last over time. Simple to set up, reliable in performance, and versatile across woodworking and framing projects. A practical tool for anyone who needs quick, accurate positioning at 90 degrees. Number 9. The multifunction scribing tool is designed for precision marking across a wide range of woodworking and DIY tasks. Made from high-grade aluminum alloy, it's strong, durable, and built to last. The smooth surface ensures it won't damage finished work, even when used directly on delicate materials. This tool is versatile. It can be used for installing floors, tiles, baseboards, wall panels, or window seats. Carpenters and DIYers rely on it for accurate layout lines, wherever precision matters. Its multi-purpose design offers several modes: contour mode, scribing mode, compass mode, and regular edge mode. That means one tool for many different marking needs. This simple, convenient design makes it easy to use. Quick adjustments, reliable performance, and long-term durability. Whether you're laying out flooring, marking curves, or transferring measurements, this scribing tool gives you accuracy in every project. Number 10. The straight hole drill guide is designed for vertical drilling precision. It uses a built-in guide structure along with a limit ring design. That keeps your drill bit aligned, avoiding tilt or offset, so every hole is straight and accurate. The body is crafted from aluminum, reinforced with stainless steel and carbon steel parts. Strong enough for repeated use, yet light enough to handle comfortably. This guide is flexible. It works across furniture projects, model assembly, and handmade crafts. Clamp it down, and it holds firmly on different surfaces. This set includes everything you need: a locator body, a 10mm drill sleeve, a hexagonal guide sleeve, and more. That means you can handle different aperture sizes with ease. Installation is simple. A hex wrench and hole opener are included, so swapping sleeves is quick, practical, precise, and built to save time in every drilling project.